Tired of costly, complex marketing solutions? RDMC AI provides an affordable AI-driven solution for startups, freelancers, digital marketers, and small businesses, simplifying marketing efforts and cutting costs. Let's start with our homepage. As you can see, it's easy to navigate, with clear links to all our services. Our main features are Social Media Studio, Content Studio, Design Studio, and Campaign Studio. In Social Media Studio, we have Instagram posts, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook posts. Let's design an Instagram post together. First, we have to put a name for our project. For example, steak. Now we have to say what it is about. I'm gonna write promoting our steak. I want the paragraph to be short, and yes, I do need a design. For the design, I'm gonna use stability, and I'm going to use cinematic for the style. And for the size, I'm gonna choose 9:16. I'm gonna choose friendly for the tone of voice, and I'm going to use ChatGPT for AI model. We can change the language, and also we can choose how many outputs we want. I choose 1, and now let's generate. Here we go, and now we have our Instagram post ready to share. We can copy, save, or even modify the result. Let's try Content Studio together. Here we have paragraph, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, blog post, and content idea generator. Let's try text-to-speech generator. First, we have to put a name for our project, like welcoming message. For the text, I'm gonna write, "Hello, welcome to our restaurant." Now we have to choose a voice. I'm gonna use a man voice. Here we
Hello,
go.
welcome to our restaurant.
And now I'm going to try woman voice. Generate.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
And I'm going to download it. Now let's try our speech-to-text generator feature. I'm going to upload the voice which I downloaded earlier. I'm going to put the project name, welcoming message again, and click. We can copy and save it. Let's make a blog post with blog post generator in Content Studio. First, we have to write the title. For the title, I'm gonna put how to cook a delicious steak. For the intro, I'm gonna write the skills we need to learn to cook a delicious steak. Now we have to make the outline. I'm gonna start with an introduction. After different types of steak, then I'm gonna write how to cook a steak, and I want to end it with a conclusion. I want it to be 298 words. I'm gonna keep the tone of voice friendly. I'm gonna choose our website for the media, and I will keep ChatGPT. Let's generate. Here we go. Now we have our content ready. We can copy, save, or even modify the result. Let's modify it together. First, we have to copy the part that we want to modify. I want to change the conclusion, so we have to paste it here and click the modify button. And now, here is the modified version. We can also change the language. This time, let's try French, and even change the output. I'm gonna choose 2. And now we have 2 outputs in French. Now that we have the content ready, let's make a picture for our content in Design Studio. In Design Studio, we can design blog banner, social media, and ad banner. First, we have to put the project name, steak, and now we're gonna describe our image. I'm gonna write, create a delicious steak with some fries on the table. I'm gonna use improve prompt to make what I've written better. For the model, we have 2 options, Stability AI and DALL-E 3. I'm gonna use Stability AI. For the size, I'm gonna keep 1:1, and I'm going to choose cinematic for the style and click. And now we have the picture for our blog post. Again, we can have more than one output, for example 2, and voila, we have our blog post ready. Now let's try Campaign Studio. Here we can plan a campaign and make an ad banner. Let's plan a campaign together. First, we have to put the campaign name. Here I'm gonna put Black Friday. The goal of our campaign is Black Friday discount on our steak. Our target audience is students and employees with average income. Our core message is delicious and affordable. I'm gonna use Google Ads for our marketing channel, and our budget is 1,000. We can also put our campaign date. I'm going to use ChatGPT for our AI model and generate. Here we go. Now we have our campaign plan ready. We can also copy, save, and edit the result.